Before you buy Blinq, here are 7 things you need to know. In this video, we'll dive into the features, pros and cons of Blinq, comparing it to other similar tools so you can make an informed decision. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal how you can try Blinq for free and get some exclusive benefits. First up, Blinq is all about simplifying your digital business card experience. If you're coming from tools like Hi Hello or QR code-based cards, you'll quickly notice the difference in Blinq's approach. It offers a seamless experience across different devices and integrates easily with your current workflows. You can create a digital card that's customizable, interactive, and can be easily shared via a link or QR code. The fact that it's available on both mobile and desktop devices sets it apart, as competitors often limit you to one platform or the other. Next, Blinq's personalization options are key. Unlike some of its competitors that only allow basic customization, Blinq offers a more in-depth design process. You can fully brand your card with your logo, brand colors, and even customize the information that's shared. It's more than just your name, email, and phone number. You can add social media links, websites, videos, and even integrate booking links. If you're a business owner, this level of customization ensures that your card is a reflection of your brand. The third thing you need to know about Blinq is its integration with other tools. If you're already using CRM software or other business tools, Blinq makes it easy to sync your contact information and manage leads. This gives you a much more efficient way to track interactions compared to competitors that might require you to manually enter data or use separate apps to capture contact information. The ability to automate follow-ups and track engagements in one place is a game changer for busy professionals. The fourth thing to consider is how Blinq allows you to manage your cards. With Blinq, you can easily update your information in real time and share the updated version with anyone you've already sent your card to. This is a huge advantage over traditional business cards, where once they're printed, they're set in stone. If your contact information changes or you want to update your brand, you can make those changes instantly without worrying about wasting physical cards. Next up, Blinq offers advanced analytics that you won't find in most competitors. You'll be able to see how many times your card has been viewed, who viewed it, and what actions they took. This type of tracking isn't just useful for understanding your network, but it helps you understand how well your card is performing in terms of engagement. Many traditional business card solutions and digital card competitors don't offer this kind of insight. So if analytics are important to you, this is a major selling point. The sixth thing you need to know about Blinq is the ease of sharing. Unlike physical business cards, which often get lost in wallets or discarded, Blinq's digital cards are always accessible and shareable through a link, QR code, or even email. You can send it with a tap or a click, making networking a breeze. Plus, if you're at a conference or a meeting, it's easy to swap details quickly without fumbling around for a business card. Finally, the cost. Blinq offers a free tier that gives you access to basic features, and for those looking to upgrade, their paid plans are very competitive when compared to other digital business card services like vCards or Haystack. You're getting a lot of value for your investment, especially considering the extra features like analytics, CRM integration, and unlimited updates. And remember, if you're not sure if Blinq is right for you, there's no harm in trying it out first. Click the first link in the description below to get a completely free trial and see for yourself. So, if you're looking for a digital business card solution that offers easy sharing, customization, integration, and insights, Blinq is a solid option. But before you make the decision, be sure to check out the free trial by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on exclusive benefits when you sign up today.